Now gurus and new news, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving the free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movement. Grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with a voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by YGwigs. Shout out to you YGwigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I am showing you guys what all came in the packaging. And yes honey, this is another headband wig. Okay honey, you gotta admit though, I'm bringing you guys variety. Even though it's still headband wig, I'm bringing variety, girl. Okay, don't judge me. So right here I'm showing you guys cap construction. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it also has this like elastic band that you're gonna use to adjust your headband or make it fit or whatever, child. Okay, so this particular unit is in the color number 27. So yes, this is my first colored headband wig. So we do have color now, y'all. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this unit. If you're interested in any more details, specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, love bugs. So I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all. So this unit was sent to me by YGwigs. Shout out to you, YGwigs, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit I am rocking this go around, it is another headband unit, and I don't know if you guys know, I have been getting emails and heard different subscribers asking me about it, but there appears to be some sort of lace shortage. So you probably will see a lot of headband wigs, a lot of lace closures and that type of deal until that is sorted out. I don't know much about it. I haven't had a lot of companies tell me much about it, but I am hearing it. I'm hearing rumors here and there. I've heard a few of you guys down below in the comments tell me about there being a lace shortage. So you may see a lot more of headband wigs and closures for now. Okay, so if you're tired of headband wigs, honey, I'm so sorry about it, girl, but I can only give you what I can get. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, this particular unit is like I stated, it is by YGwigs. This one is their loose deep wave headband wig. It is in the color number 27, and let me just give you guys the details that I have about the unit. Okay, so what I have on here, it says headband wig, 150% density, loose deep wave is the texture. It's 20 inches long and is in the color number 27, and it's 27 all the way throughout. Y'all know that is just like one of my go-to colors. My hair used to be this color. I dyed my hair this color in the 7th grade. Honey, my grandma just let me live my best life, girl. Okay, she just let me be me and express myself how I wanted to express myself. Shout out to you, Mom. Shout out to you for letting me be me. But anyways, y'all, so yeah, that's the color of this unit. It says order it and you can get 2 free headbands. So I showed you guys, I think I showed you guys all of the headbands, if I'm not mistaken. They did send me 4. Was it 4, child? I don't know. I think it was 4 of them. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, they did send me a total of 4, and I actually didn't mean to wear this one. I actually asked my husband. My husband told me he gonna just stop giving me answers when I ask, do you like something? Because he said I don't never listen, child. But I didn't mean to not listen. But after I started, because I wasn't initially gonna try on all the headbands, and I was like, might as well, just to give you guys the full, you know, the full thing. So yeah, these had these 2. This is the one that we had actually picked for me to wear. And I also have this one. And this one is probably going to be the one that I wear to work. This is y'all know I'm country, honey. Does this match blue? I don't care if it matches navy blue or not because I'm wearing it. But anyway, so yeah, this unit, they do say you can get 2 free headbands. Now, I wonder, do they have the headbands on here? No, I don't see where they have the headbands on here. But it says hair texture curly. The wig type is 100% Brazilian human hair. Baby hair, no. Headband, yes. Headband fee, free. The density 150. Cap size can adjust. And I did see where somebody asked me at some point, and I hope I responded to it. I don't know, y'all. I've been struggling, y'all. My phone completely went out on me. So if you've been messaging me, whether you're a subscriber, a family member, cousin, honey, I ain't got no phone. I just got my new phone and I haven't transferred my stuff over yet. So bear with me, honey. But so yeah, I don't know if I responded or not, but you can just wear that black headband. Like, honey, ain't nobody gonna, I mean, you know, wear it how you want to, because you can still see, and at least when I style these units, you can still see that little black piece there. It doesn't bother me. I don't know if it bothers anybody else, but yeah, it don't bother your girl, honey. I don't care, because I'm gonna wear her as is, honey. This is like my convenient dream, okay? Even though your girl ain't got no edge, I don't even care, okay? I have gotten so far past it. Anyways, I'm going on. I'm going on a tangent. But anyways, y'all, so the hair, as you guys can see, it's, y'all, I wish, well, you can't see that it's soft, but I'm gonna tell you, girl, it's soft. This hair is so freaking soft, honey. It feels so good, and you can just literally run your fingers through it. Even though it's a loose deep wave, you can just run your fingers through it. Like, I am catching a snag, but I can run my fingers through that snag. So yeah, keep that in mind, y'all. I just wanted to let you know that. Now, as far as shedding, I am getting some strands here and there, and it could be the color along with it being a deep wave unit. I don't care, but you know, if that's a deal breaker for you, I want you guys to know it. But y'all, the hair, child, these little cheap earrings that y'all be asking me about from the beauty supply store, girl. So yeah, you do get like a strand or 2 when you run your fingers through it. It's not a huge deal for me, but it may be a big deal for you. So I wanted to throw it out there so you guys would know. So yeah, keep that in mind. And it could be because of the color, because it is, you know, obviously dyed. So it could be because of the color, but I do want you guys to know that I am getting just a strand here and there. It's not like a whole lot of hair. Like, I'm not slinging, like every time I do my hair like that, it's hair falling out. It's nothing like that. But when you run your fingers through it, you may get a strand or 2. So yeah, throwing that out there. And as far as the cap construction with this wig, if I'm not mistaken, this wig comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Now your girl could be tripping. I could be completely wrong, and it could be 2 combs, but I think it's 3. So bear that in mind. And it does come with 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as that elastic band. Does it come with adjustable straps, child? I think it comes with adjustable straps, honey. Don't quote me on nothing, okay? Because obviously I'm having an off day, but I will be showing you guys the cap construction in the beginning of this video. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it as far as the wig goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and stand up and give you guys a quick length check, and then we will get into how I feel about this. I'm filming because lately I've been doing length checks that ain't getting filmed. So yes, I see the little red dot. I'm filming. Okay, so this is all the hair brought to the front. Keep in mind I am 5'4" and that this unit is 20 inches long. The unit in the back. So yeah, I'm trying to change some things up back there, y'all. Bear with me. I'm getting myself together, okay? Just bear with me, girl. It's a work in progress back there, okay? But that is pretty much it as far as the cap construction go. If you are interested in how I feel about this unit and anything that I had to do to this unit, then please continue to watch. Come on over here with me, girl. Come. Okay, y'all, so as far as what I had to do to this wig and if I like it and all that good stuff, honey, I am definitely feeling it. Y'all already know this is one of my colors, girl. I love this color. Now, even though we are heading into fall, I feel like I can wear me some honey in the fall, honey. I'm gonna wear her this fall. Typically, I do like to wear darker colors in the fall and the winter and lighter colors in the spring and the summer, but honey, I am gonna be wearing her. Okay, I'm gonna be wearing her even though fall isn't technically until September 21st. I'm gonna wear it. I don't care if it is fall. Like, I don't care if it's after that or not. I don't give a poop because I'm gonna wear her. Okay, I love this color. And I did listen because I did see a few guys asking me about these units in color, and I had mentioned that that the wigs are newer, and after a while they'll start incorporating colors. But the first thing that they do is, you know, obviously you want to release the natural colors because a lot more people gravitate towards natural color versus colorful wigs. And now here we are, girl. Okay, I told you, sis. I told you. So yeah, I love the color. I think the color is really, really nice. I am definitely feeling it, even though my roots is as dark as they come, honey. And this hair is 27. I no care. I no care, girl. It's a look to me. Okay, it's a look to me. I am definitely feeling it. I like it. I hope you guys were able to, because I'm now going to try to make it a thing where I change out my lens, because this lens is so close up and I don't have enough space to actually utilize it like I need to, because honey, I didn't think about the whole investment. I didn't think about it. I should have done more research. Okay, because I don't have enough room, but I still love the lens and I'm going to use it in the outro portion of my video, but I'm going to use my old lens just so you guys can get a full look of the hair, because sometimes I feel like this is so close that you can't really get a good look at the hair. So I hope you guys were able to get a better look at it in its entirety at the beginning of the video. And if you like it like that, if you like me doing that, that makes more sense to you, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll just make that my thing where I use one lens in the beginning to showcase the hair, and then in this part I'll use this lens. Just let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, I think that's pretty much it. Like, I'm feeling it. It's a look. I didn't have to do anything to it. Literally all I did was run my fingers through the hair. That's it. I didn't do anything else to it. It didn't even need a whole lot. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look to me. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. Girl, this side right here is just bald, honey. Just all kinds of bald. Don't you judge me. Don't you judge me, honey. I get on here my whole self, okay? My whole self, I get on here, so don't you judge me, girl. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Do you think it's a look? Is it a vibe to you, girl? Let me know down below in the comments. I am very interested in what you guys think. And if you are interested in this unit, because I ain't even tell you guys the price. Let me tell you. Let's just see it. Okay, so if you get this wig in the length that I have it in, it'll be $174, honey. Okay, so that will be the price of it. And the shortest length that they have is 12 inches. So if you want it in 12 inches, it will be $99. And the longest length that they have is 24 inches, and if you want it in that length, it's going to be $214, honey. So yeah, that is the pricing and all of that. So if you're interested in this wig, definitely click the link down below. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.